1, go!
Quarterfinals match number 7 is underway. Looks like Singularity trying to score for that blue alliance. But over here on the red side, we have the engineers trying to shoot up in that high boiler. Looks like that they weren't able to score anything in that high boiler. Sorry, that's 10 points for that red alliance in that high boiler. That means that the red alliance is going to take the lead 85-15. Entering into our quarterfinals match number 7. Looks like the engineers over on this red side going to drop a gear on the peg, and they're going to try and unload, get some fuel from that hopper. Looks like the red alliance is able to complete their second rotor. Blue alliance able to complete their first rotor. Looks like Singularity doing some dancing moves to try and get a gear out of their robot in the middle of this field. Over here on this red side where the boiler is, looks like that we're having the nerds shoot up high, and they're shooting well. Let's see how many points of pressure they're able to score. Looks like their partners, Team Pantheon, they're going to try and get a gear up and in for this red alliance. Oh, they're going to go to the middle station instead. Looks like the nerds loading up their robot with more fuel from the ground. Going over to that red boiler, lining up for a shot. Up and in that fuel goes. How many kilopascals of pressure are they going to be able to create? Are they going to be able to get to that magic number of 40? Once again, in this elimination rounds, 40 kilopascals will give you an extra 20-point bonus at the end of this match. But over on this blue side, we have Singularity. They're trying to score a gear for this blue alliance, getting a gear up and onto that spring. They've already won an event this year, up and in. That's good for the blue. 2 more gears for that blue alliance. They're going to be able to score that third rotor. Over here on the red side, they're able to score their third rotor. That's another 40 points for the red alliance. The red alliance is going to take 185 to 95 here with 30 seconds left in the match. Engine nerds are not going to be able to get that 40 kilopascals of pressure, but it's all going to come down to climbing. Looks like Singularity, they're trying to get a gear down for this red alliance. Looks like over on this blue side, we have your Rocket Robotics team. They're up. That's good for the blue alliance. Owasso, they're trying to get up as well. They're hooked on with the winch. We got 3 up for the red alliance. Am I going to get 3 for the blue? Got 2 going up. So close, Singularity. Oh, Owasso falling down, and that's going to be your match. I got 1 for the blue and 3 for the red. Ladies and gentlemen, your official scores are in. If Red wins this, they move on to the semis, and they are going to move into the semis. Red Alliance taking down the Blue Alliance 340 to 185. We would like to congratulate our Blue